welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Those who don't know me, my name is Shweta. I make videos about makeup, travel, DIY and review videos. I'll be reviewing a product from Everteen. So in my previous videos, I have reviewed Everteen's menstrual cups and their sanitary pads. So in today's video, I'll be reviewing their super thin sanitary pads. I've recently tried Everteen Skin Thin Premium XL sanitary pads and I wanted to share a review with you guys. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe now and also make sure to press the bell icon so that you get notification every time I upload a new video. We often face issues where bulky pad lines are visible and it feels so uncomfortable and embarrassing, and due to that we need to avoid wearing clothes which are body hugging, which is the most irritating part. So to avoid such situation, Everteen has come up with skin thin sanitary pads which will make your life super simple and easy. Not only it will solve your problem with that, it will also help you with leakage. So if you are someone who faces issues with leakage and want to avoid situations where those bulky pad lines are visible, then this is something you must try. These are super slim sanitary pads which give up to 8 hours of protection. These pads are designed in such a way that it gives 100% dryness and it has 3 times faster absorption. So this helps to eliminate the risk of rashes, infections caused due to humidity, and will make your period super comfortable. It helps to maintain the skin's natural pH balance as it has a breathable layer in the sanitary napkins which allows free airflow. So it comes in 2 sizes. One is the biggest size which includes 40 pieces and the price of the same is $349, and the other package includes 7 XL pads. So they have package of 4 7 XL pads which will cost you around $240. So this is something which is exactly same to a sanitary pad. The only difference is it is much more thinner than those bulky pads. They also have wings, so it will give you extra protection also. So here's a smaller package.
Everteen has come up with this exciting giveaway. All you need to do is share this video for 4 days, engage on my post and in comment section. I have added their handle in my description. So all you need to do is go and follow them. Add any of your 5 family or friends in their comment section so that your chances of winning becomes more. Also stay tuned to know how my experience was using this skin thin sanitary pads. I'll be putting up a story, so stay tuned for that.
I found it very comfortable, hygienic, and wings made it more convenient. Also, as it is super thin, I can dress up however I want even during my periods. It does not give you rashes, irritation or any itchiness. The best part is it has odor control technology, so it prevents it from spreading. So if you are someone who's looking for a pad which does not give you that bulge, which is leak proof and does not even affect your pocket, then this is a must try. I have personally tried it and I am super happy with my purchase. So I would even suggest you guys to try it once and see it for yourself. This premium super slim yet highly absorbent sanitary pad would totally solve your leakage problem. So that's all guys. This was my take on Everteen super thin sanitary pads. If you found this video helpful and knowledgeable, then make sure to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. So that's all guys. Bye.